Yeah, man. Alright, where to go first? Well, where to go? Where to go? We'll see. Let's go this way. I'm not sure I know what is over here. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. That beer car. Oh, shit. Looking at me. I don't need that. I don't need to see my ugly mug. Hello. Interesting. Still got my wallet. That's always a bonus. Oh, look at them flames. To the left, to the left. Everything you want on the street to the left. Yeah. Boats, more boats, boats, boats. No. That three-wheeler though. Do 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 do. Yep. Apparently I love leaving my blinker on, that's a thing. No. It is a four-way stop, so go. Alrighty, what road is this? Nobody knows, cause there aren't. I wonder if there's anybody out, if we can get them to wave. Just there's nobody ever out here. If I went downtown, that's a different story. He's like, hey, and they'll be waving. No, okay, old grandma, you're good. Okay. Okay. What do we have time for? Just right? Just right? Nice. I don't know which way I want to go. I'll go to the right. Hey, green means go. So I'm going. Hi. I know idea. Look at them two kids. Look at them. Just look at them. Ooh. No? Okay. Okay. All that loud muffler, God damn me what? God damn me what? These houses. Just look at them. They're all the same. The police guys are being real creative. What a view. Bro. What is that? What's up there? That's awesome. Who knew? A bald eagle. Let's sign off. Thanks for watching. Thanks for riding. Peace.